Welcome to a home that reflects a bold personal style, where thoughtful use of color, texture, and eclectic decor creates a warm, visually engaging atmosphere. Each room is designed with purpose, yet together they form a cohesive, inviting whole. Coming into a dining room that combines function and style with a rich plum palette and soft pink curtains. A round wooden table and simple chairs invite gathering, while a wicker cabinet beneath a sunburst mirror adds charm and storage. Pendant light and open wooden shelves with greenery bring warmth and charm, making the space both inviting and functional. This is a cheerful kitchen that balances function and personality with bright yellow cabinets, a light wooden breakfast bar, and black countertops. This vibrant living room blends color, texture, and personal style. A dusty rose sectional sofa, layered with teal, mustard yellow, and red-blue pillows, anchors the space. Curated artwork, fringed lamps, and a colorful rug complete the bohemian yet cozy atmosphere, enhanced by a fresh bouquet of tulips. walls allow bold accents to pop, while a glass-topped coffee table and eclectic furnishings like a patterned armchair and rattan cabinet add charm. This bedroom blends bohemian and contemporary styles with deep teal walls, creating a serene backdrop, softened by light textiles and natural wood accents. A rattan headboard bed with textured bedding anchors the space, while a wooden nightstand and patterned storage chest add function and charm. Decorative details like a fringed pendant light, patterned blinds, and subtle wallpaper enhance the eclectic feel. Artwork and carefully chosen objects complete the room, creating a cozy, character-filled retreat.